हेलो हेलो एवरीवन, आपका मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। लेट्स वी स्टार्ट अगेन ऑफ अ बुक थिंकिंग स्ट्रेट बुक। नाउ वी रीड अ बुक पेज नंबर 71। स्पेंड योर टाइम वेल। Time is limited. Sooner or later, we all figure that out. And once we do, we start being more conscious of the way we spend our time. Thinking is a double edge. So what? So what? It can help you. I just want to tell you something. If I just not complete my full on page because I feel separate, because I feel suffer of the space problem in my mother phone. I don't know what happening. Thank you. I say that little bit only. Let's we start. It can help. It can help you, but it can also destroy you. The of outcome depend on how. Once depends on how you use your thought. Your mind is an instrument, nothing more, nothing less. In this book, I shared how I have learned to use my brain more effectively. Sometimes you have to think differently, and there are there are times you must stop thinking altogether. It's up to you to decide when you should deploy which method. But no matter what you do not spend too much time in thought, because that's a waste of the life. At the end of the day, thinking by itself it's useless without action. But like we talk about early, action follow thoughts. Effective thought, effective action, effective so question my effective action point matlab finish. To clear what I mean, I have made a list of what I think are effective thought: making your life better, growing your career and business, visualizing your future, thinking of new ideas, solving problem, coming up with fun thing to do with your partner and family or friends. There's a line, a particular line, the author say that don't waste your time on the foolish thought like this. Like we sit and we have something to when our house member going to some inside, we thought of a ridiculous thinking. If not they coming up in night in hurry up. Is true, they say that think that what is really important and needed for you. Make a list and think properly what should you imagine. You say that you to imagine you make a list, you have a paper, you doing a best, but sometime in a second you have a thought to let's watch a TV and reels. That is a ridiculous thought. They say that ignore the ridiculous wastage thought on your to mind. I just want to say that one thing to everyone. Not is a positive and negative thought. The Sandeep Maheshwari and every like Acharya Prashant say that thought is not a negative and not a positive. They all are on a mind. All this is a thought like a in cloud. In a clouds, in a sky a clouds, they goes and come like that your thought. It's really not the complex complici- complicated. However, sticking with this way of thinking, it's very hard and take word. Do not to accept because a particular practical thinker after read this book only once. Like any skill, better thinking require daily practice. I do that by looking at everything that happen in my life and an exercise for thinking better. Because if I do not, I start wasting my time on useless things like complaining, feeling sorry for myself, and not enjoying my life. We are collective thinkers so much, we are missing out of life. And it has nothing to do with fancy thing other people do. We all know that the beauty of life lies in the small thing. Did you notice the sunshine this morning when you wake up, or the raindrops? Did you notice the smell of your coffee? Did you feel the texture of your key really creals? If you are is no, if your answer is no, you definitely need to get out of your head. Stop thinking about and start feeling. Inner calm. There only one end goal to all of this: inner calm. No matter what you experience in life, and no matter what happens to you, your mind should stay calm and under all the circumstances. That's the ultimate prize in life. Mystery of the mind mean that we control our mind. Remember, you can only achieve that thought daily practice. Some people call it meditation, and other might call it mindfulness. No matter what you call finding inner calmness, please do not complicate. You do not need a $10,000 course to learn how to find some peace inside your head. Just sit down, be one with your thought, absorb them, and then ignore them. That's all there is to meditate. I meditate all the time. When I walk, exercise, write, wait, sit, lie, whenever I can lay. बता lie की ले, मतलब लेट के भी सोचता है, बैठ के भी सोचता है, चलते वक्त भी सोचता है, रुकता है वहाँ भी सोचता है. आई कैन ऑलवेज फाइंड द टाइम एंड एनर्जी टू गो विथ माई सेल्फ टू फाइंड पीस. आई डू नॉट need anything to do it. That's important to realize. I have said it before, but it's so important that I say it again. You do not need a yoga mat, music, or teacher to help you control your thought. You can go with yourself to find calm anything. I just want thing clear to you. No one control thoughts. No one control thought. If you say have a bad thought, then you say that no, 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 I don't like this thought, I don't want this thought. But this never happened. I just give you example. If you have a bad thought every day in something, a bad feeling, and you say that, hey god, not come again, not to come again, not tomorrow, this also come, please, 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 one day I just, I say that in a simple meaning. You have a habit, something bad habit, bad habit. You say one day you control and starting your body starting a burning, and you did not want the burn of your body in your it's burning, it's just sensation, your mind feel that, and you say that to, no, no god, I don't want this again. But I 100% sure that the thought come again tomorrow. That is the, you only can just out of that, and you sit and observe. No, you can't control. I don't want this thought, I don't want this thought, but just sit. I see that, and like a clouds come and goes on a sky, like that thought, just observe meaning not to uh, handle the thought properly. I don't want this thought, I don't want this thought, I want always happy, happy, happy. Don't know, this not happen in our particular lives. I don't know, my English are not good. I don't speak in Hindi right now. I just want to start again. Uh, where I'm reading. You don't. You can go with yourself to find calm anything you want. You also do not need a holiday, new shoes, or drink. You also do not. ये भी हो गया था. How do I know this? How I control my thought. I decide what it does. So can you. One thing I repeat again: you can't control your thought. You just sit and ignore them. Not ignore them. Don't do action anything if you doesn't like this thought. Thinking beyond yourself. Now we just stop there. Catch up you tomorrow, and we consider that how can you observe your thought. I also give this, I know something, today is my mind not good, my head is paining because I a lot watching TV mobile, and when my mind say that something that you can stop using your phone gadgets and to online to right now, I just catch up in a some I catch my phone in a few minutes ago when I absorb my thoughts, which sit down and relaxing. Thank you. Bye. Meet you tomorrow.